I'm Sharon Dotson, editor of Nuclear Power International magazine. The natural gas industry and environmental groups were swift to respond to proposed rules from the EPA that would cut methane emissions by nearly half at oil and gas production sites. The Obama administration set a target to cut methane from oil and gas drilling by 40 to 45% from 2012 levels by 2025. The agency also released rules to regulate methane from new sources, guidelines to reduce VOC emissions from existing sources, proposed changes to EPA's aggregation policy, and proposed a minor source air permitting program for oil and gas production in Indian country, according to law firm Bracewell and Giuliani. The president of America's Natural Gas Alliance said the new rules were unnecessary, but environmental group EDF said the rules were a good first step. You can get more on the proposed rules by visiting the Power Engineering website. With utility Mississippi Power on, quote, the brink of bankruptcy, end quote, state regulators granted a temporary rate hike that allowed cost recovery on the over-budget coal gasification project. There is evidence that shows that Mississippi Power was going to run out of funds in November 2015 and has lost access to the unsecured credit markets, according to Generation Hub. Existing credit facilities and secured financing are either insufficient or lack capacity to satisfy funding needs, the article said. Moody's downgraded the utility's credit score the day before the rate hike was approved. Parent company Southern has become the utility's only potential leader, said Generation Hub. The Kemper Integrated Gasification Combined Cycle Plant has been running the natural gas side of the plant since 2014, but the coal gasification side is over budget and behind schedule. The UK Office for Nuclear Regulation said it has stopped safety inspections at the Hinkley Point C nuclear site after work was halted. NNB Genco put a cap on future spending on the nuclear project until it is ready to fully remobilize, the regulator said in a statement. The company will keep a core staff on site to maintain oversight of other activities associated with development of the design, production of the site-specific nuclear safety case documentation, and construction planning. The site entered a state of care and maintenance on July 1st. For the latest developments, be sure to check out the Power Engineering website. SunEdison completed construction of a 6-megawatt solar power plant in Florida. Terraform Power acquired the project upon its completion from its Call Rights Projects list. It will supply the output to Lakeland Electric under a 25-year power purchase agreement. You have until August 31st to nominate a deserving project or woman for our annual awards. The Projects of the Year acknowledges any power-generating project of any size from anywhere in the world. Our Woman of the Year award focuses on deserving women who work in any sector of the power generation industry. To complete a nomination for either award, visit the Power Engineering website. Well, that's your power generation news for now. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look for this newscast twice a week on the Power Engineering website. And you can always connect with our editors and join in on the discussions on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. For Power Engineering News, I'm Sharon Dotson.